You ready for a haircut?
Yeah.
I don't think we'll buzz it this time, okay?
Taking a mullet?
No, I think Mama's just gonna cut it, okay?
Bald?
No. Why is it that I never remember that I have missing guards and missing things until it's actually time for haircuts?
Missing guards?
1.5 will do it. All right, we're gonna take a 1.5 and go up on the sides. I'm gonna leave your top as is. Why don't you tell everybody why you have a black eye? Maybe you can't see, close your eye. This is really puffy and black right here.
So I was like climbing up a water slide to try to get the mat.
You know that you shouldn't have been climbing it like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I was trying to do it, but a kid tried to slide. Well, like, he said he got
Using the slide properly and going down the slide, yes.
Yes. And then he slid down and like he hit me, and then his forehead hit my eye.
His forehead hit your eye?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I thought it was his foot.
Oh, no. His foot hit
Hold your
my-
head still. So when I push on your head, don't lean forward. Just push against me. You know what I mean?
I slid down.
So did you guys slide down the slide together once he like ran into you?
Yeah.
Cody, can you find me an extension cord? So moral of the story, you knew you shouldn't have gone down the water slide like that, right?
Yeah.
So the rules are there for a reason. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So follow the rules, okay? Thank you, Cody. You'll plug that in for me. I'm like barely making this work over here. Turn. Look how handsome. I don't think I'll ever buzz your head again. That looks really, really handsome. What's the matter?
Itchy.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Buddy, could you fix the tube? Plus in your tube. We bought a new tube for your, like. Yeah, I'll fix it.
Okay, Lincoln actually spent a lot of time in the sun trying to get his new bike tire.
No, trying to get the bike off.
Okay, and then ended up smashing his little finger.
With pliers.
Came inside, had a complete meltdown. Just waiting for the airplanes to go by.
Lady.
Ah, didn't turn on. Why is it turning on? Ah, why isn't it turning on? Everything's plugged in. Is there more than one? I don't get it. Hey, Code! It's not working! My extension cord!
There you go.
Thank you, honey. Wow, everyone is begging for haircuts. Tell me about your day.
So we first went to the aquatic center. Well, we went to Kate, our friend's house, and then we went to school lunch. This summer, there's like a school down here that you can get lunch. And then we went down to the aquatic center.
Did you know that I used to go there when I was young? In the summers, yeah, they do free lunches.
Yeah.
Joel's mom used to work there. Did you know Daddy's grandma used to work there?
I know it.
Did you know that?
Yeah, Grandma told us about it.
Okay.
And then we went to the aquatic center, and then we were playing around for a lot. And then our friend told us how to go on the water slide, and we went so far when we landed in the water. And we got there, and I did a backflip off the high dive, and then
just a little bit.
And then I slapped my back so hard because I went too fast.
Yikes.
Anyway, but we played on the water slides a lot. And then we got nachos.
You gotta wait for the airplane.
Oh, so we had churros, and then our friends had like a bunch of ice cream and stuff. And we like played in the pool all day, and it was so fun. You know how I was wondering if I could have Crocs?
Yeah.
You think I could get them?
Okay, here's our debate. Boston has some money that he earned. He wants to get some Crocs. You already have so many shoes. You already have so many pairs of shoes that I know you don't need them, but you guys should have seen the way they were acting when we got, okay, you can go on Amazon and get like 103, what are they called?
Gibbets or charms.
Charms for their Crocs that they don't have. for like $13, 103 of them or something like that. They're the cutest charms. I don't have Crocs. I'm obsessed with the charms. Boston does not have charms. She's obsessed, or Crocs, and he's obsessed with the charms. Like, they are the cutest things. And so I want you to get Crocs, but you don't need shoes.
Are you just worried that I won't wear them or stuff?
I know you'll wear them. It's just in the garage, there's a mess of shoes, and I can hardly keep it contained as is. Okay, wait for this.
What I was thinking is that, like, if we did get them, I can't keep the box in my room so we don't have the shoes in the garage.
That is a good idea.
Hey, you should give Dad another mullet. Make sure Lincoln doesn't tell him.
Most handsome boy. There you go.
So you're saying
No, you're my most handsome Lincoln. And this is my most handsome Boston.
oh, Boston, I mean,
Did you get the tire fixed?
not yet. The pump isn't working. I got it. What?
I'm just wondering if the camera can see, lady. Yeah, just, blurred out there in the corner. Taking a little dumpty-doo.
Yeah. So the pump isn't working because it's not going to the tube. It's just going into nothing.
Okay.
So, not working. Can you cut it extra short?
Extra short?
Not like extra, but like
Like
shorter
the
than
sides or the top?
sides.
Well, here's the thing. I only have the one guard, so you're all getting a 1.5.
All right. Lincoln, don't touch that. Lincoln, don't touch that.
Don't, Link. Dad's gonna look at it when he gets home. No injuries at the pool today, huh?
Nope.
When the boys left, I was like, I am not interested in taking anyone to the ER. Please be careful.
Yeah, the Boston back flop was pretty hard though.
I heard.
On the twirly slide,
Uh-huh.
we went on that and I was going super fast.
Yeah.
Kid was laughing how fast I was going on the turn. Like, did you do this side?
Yeah, I did all the sides. Look how handsome.
All done?
My most handsome Cody. Your face is so sunburned. Did you put sunblock on at all while you were there?
He put it on it when we got there.
And then just didn't reapply?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like you put very much on your face, though.
Got it in my face.
You didn't put any.
No.
You didn't put any on your face. Cody Clark. Did you on purpose not put it on your face? Or did you forget?
I didn't.
You
I got it.
Why?
I want to get it in my eyes. Second, you kind of have to.
Remember how before you left I said
Oh, you have to
grab the stick, and what did you say to me?
We can put sunscreen on our hands and just rub our faces.
And when you got there, did you think about when you said that?
Yeah.
What did you think? It's fine.
Yeah.
Cody,
I rubbed it on my face.
I don't think it's funny. Go shower.
Oh.
Dar! Have a seat. No, my battery's low.
Oh shoot, I don't think my phone's any better.
How was work today?
We got a lot of trim work done.
Nice.
And,
Oops, sorry.
yeah, and the mudder's like, he got all the corners done on the basement. It
Oh,
looks really good.
nice.
Yeah, my fingers hurt from like glue being in them.
I picked out preliminary carpets for the house. Like I went through and I have like several samples
Oh,
for
yeah.
each area that I think I'm going to use.
Nice.
So that's exciting.
That's really exciting.
And I will tell you guys what Joel told me last night that absolutely made me cry. I was just very overwhelmed. Not even just with the house, not even just with keeping up, with the vlogs, not even just there's just so much. And like with the kids, each kid, I swear, needs my attention more so now than ever.
Mm-hmm.
Now that they're older, even though they are more independent. I don't know, it's wild. But Joel was like, this is supposed to be fun. He's like, this is supposed to be fun.
Ow.
Cody said it pinched him too. These are just, I greased him last time when I was done.
Just go slower. Yeah. There you go.
They're just really old.
Yeah. I cut a lot of heads of hair.
Joel's, because I was supposed to go up after I picked out carpet and film something up at the house. And Joel was like, you're not going to come up and film. He's like, stay in town, take your time, and enjoy the process of picking out carpet. And that's exactly what I did. Me and Lincoln went and got, what? No, I'm not giving Dad a mullet.
Dang it.
So the boys went to the pool today, and Lincoln wanted to go with them. Is that pulling still?
Mm-hmm.
Pull it head up just a little bit. And I was like, Lincoln, you're too little to go without me. You cannot go without me. And he was all sorts of in tears. And so me and Lincoln went to Zupa's and got some lunch. And that was really fun. And then he came with me and played on these huge things of carpet. He was like having the time of his life. He was
Really?
Yes. He
Like
was
big rolls?
Oh, yeah. These huge rolls he was jumping back and forth on. And then he was hiding behind the, like, you flip each carpet sample.
Mm-hmm.
He was, like, hiding in those at one point. It was, and it just, like, made me laugh. And then we came home and he was, like, wanted to stop and get bike tires at Walmart. So we bought bike tires and he got a snack and we came home and watched a show together. And it just felt so good. And to be honest, I don't think I would have enjoyed it as much had you not told me to just. I'm so sorry.
I'm trying to enjoy the process.
So
Wait, what did that?
sorry. Had you not told me to just enjoy it, relax.
Well, I want you to look back and not think, oh, that was so much work.
I mean, it is a lot of work,
But, like, I want you to look back and think, well, that was a lot of work, but it was fun,
but I
too.
enjoyed it.
You know?
Which I have been. I really have been.
Mm-hmm.
Do you cut that hair shorter than ours? It looks.
No, you all have the same guard because. Do you hear the thunder?
Mm-hmm. I saw lightning coming. There was a... me and Moses were talking for a second,
Uh-huh.
and the radio came on, like, with the, like, warning sound, you know, where it, like, this is a public service announcement.
Uh-huh.
And it said that there was thunderstorm warnings on this side of the Wasatch Front.
Wow. Everybody always talks about, like, oh, you'll test your marriage, building a house together, you'll fight so much. Jill and I have not fought. Like, we just don't. We
definitely have to talk through things, though.
yeah, we had to hone in, you know. Yes, it can get tense, but we have not fought over it. And it's I take it kind of the same way when people were like, when you have kids, oh, you'll never sleep again. I'm sorry.
Mongo.
I don't
Let me
think
tell
so.
you a story. When you never sleep again, I was 2 days old and I slept the whole night.
Yeah.
Okay, it was more like 4 days, but yeah, Boston slept through the night
Immediately.
immediately. And that was just a blessing absolutely from heaven. So that, I mean, I don't know if that really counts, but
I think that was a trick. It was like, you're going to get this child that will fall asleep easy, so you'll want one more.
can you what?
Say something before.
Sure.
Even now, I'm a great sleeper. I fall asleep and I fall asleep in movies a bunch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chin down, please.
But do you go to bed when mom tells you to?
Do any of you?
Speak for yourself.
Yeah.
Mom, you forgot my part line.
Oh, I did forget a hard part. Guess you won't have one this time. I just felt a raindrop.
Or did you forget mine? No.
No, you have one.
Oh, I love the hard part.
All right. Let's close this video.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Should I? Mom? Do you want me to? Oh, Mom?
Good heavens.
I'm just waiting to see what happens. Honestly.
great heavens. Wait, okay, I paused
Oh,
it.
great heavens.
I ended it.
You liar.
I did. Relax, Brian. Let's go finish the massage.
Cool shirt.
Wait, I need to ask the people something.
The
Here's
people?
toilet paper. Do you put it backwards or forwards?
Oh, gosh.
Over the top
We've
or
already
behind?
settled it. Oh.
Over the top.
Oh, I thought he was crying. He's not.
I just felt your
So is it my comb?
something brushed my eye and it startled me. Like, that's cold. Maybe it's a
great
blade.
heavens.
Comment down below if you go over or back.
No, comment down below if you do it over, which is right, or if you do it wrong. The other way. Two kinds of people in this world. Those who do it right. No, those who put it over the front and those who are wrong.
You guys need to turn the camera off or what?
Okay, 3,
You're wasting
Bud
film.
eyes. Bud eyes. Eyes.
Okay, we forgot to tell you, Olivia is at sewing camp. And so she's in Cache Valley and staying with Aunt Emily and Uncle Bo
Mhm.
and just kind of having a good old time. So,
Yeah, she looked happy this morning when I saw her.
yeah. Okay, that's all. Good
Wait,
night.
should I tell them about my diet?
Sure.
Because they don't even know.
Sure.
I've been 17 days in my diet, and I made a diet of 35 days because I want a 6-pack. So yeah, it's amazing.
What is your diet? I mean, what are you dieting from?
Sugar and junk food.
And junk food. That's good for.
The most
And
best.
it's been very encouraging for me because I'm like, if Bossy's doing it, I'm going to do it.
Yeah, we went to a soccer game the other day, and like we bought a bunch of treats, and I was like, oh, I want some soccer.
You did not partake.
But I
Been doing
fucking
really good.
You did good.
All right.
Bye, guys.